5 cutting-edge innovations shaping the future of technology. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to TechLogic, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we've got an exciting lineup of 5 groundbreaking innovations that are shaping the future of technology. From advanced robotics to revolutionary transportation and manufacturing, we've got it all covered. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Number 1. Boston Dynamics SpotMini. Our first stop takes us to the realm of robotics with Boston Dynamics SpotMini. This four-legged marvel has been making waves for its impressive mobility and versatility. Whether it's navigating through complex environments, performing intricate tasks, or even dancing up a storm, SpotMini's agility and capabilities are truly astounding. But how does it all work? Let's take a closer look. From its state-of-the-art sensors to its sophisticated control algorithms, SpotMini showcases the pinnacle of robotic engineering. Its ability to adapt to different scenarios has opened up a world of possibilities, from industrial applications to search and rescue missions. Boston Dynamics has certainly set a new benchmark in robotics with this incredible creation. Number 2. The Nuro R2. Next up, we shift gears to the world of autonomous vehicles with the Nuro R2. This compact and futuristic vehicle is changing the way we think about transportation and delivery services. Let's roll! The Nuro R2 is designed to navigate busy streets and safely deliver goods to your doorstep. Its sleek design, advanced sensors, and cutting-edge AI make it a true game changer in the realm of autonomous driving. Say goodbye to traditional delivery trucks and hello to the future of convenience. Number 3. The Mercedes-Benz Vision EQXX. Now, let's shift our focus to the electrifying world of automotive innovation with the Mercedes-Benz Vision EQXX. This concept car is redefining electric mobility in ways we could only dream of. Buckle up, buckle up. The Vision EQXX pushes the boundaries of electric vehicle technology with its stunning design and mind-boggling range. With breakthroughs in battery efficiency and aerodynamics, Mercedes-Benz aims to set new records for electric vehicle endurance. Get ready to embrace a new era of eco-friendly driving. Number 4. The Systems Perfactory H350. Moving on, we delve into the realm of manufacturing with the Systems Perfactory H350. This high-tech 3D printer is revolutionizing the way we create intricate and precise objects. Let's explore. The Perfactory 350 brings the power of 3D printing to a whole new level. Its precision and speed make it an invaluable tool for industries such as healthcare, aerospace, and jewelry design. With this cutting-edge technology, the possibilities are endless, and the future of manufacturing is looking incredibly promising. Number 5. The Rolls-Royce UltraFan. Last but certainly not least, we soar into the skies with Rolls-Royce UltraFan. This marvel of aviation engineering is redefining the efficiency and performance of aircraft engines. Let's take flight. The UltraFan represents a significant leap forward in aviation technology. Its advanced design and materials not only enhance fuel efficiency, but also reduce emissions, making air travel more sustainable than ever before. With innovations like the UltraFan, the sky is truly the limit. And there you have it, folks. 5 incredible innovations that are propelling us into a bold and exciting future. From the remarkable agility of Boston Dynamics SpotMini to the sustainable vision of the Mercedes-Benz Vision EQXX, these groundbreaking technologies are shaping the way we live, work, and explore. If you found this video as fascinating as we did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing tech insights. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the frontiers of innovation. This is TechLogic signing off.